My neighbor has a row of cacti beside the road that I've been watching for years, and every year he has an abundance of prickly pears. But this is where I go wrong. Do not grab these things with your bare hands. It's called prickly pear for a reason. Prickly sounds so cute. They should really call them needle pears, because that's what it feels like going into your skin. In any case, all of this cactus is edible. The prickly pear, which is called the tuna, and then the pads. But I paid a hefty price for this roadside theft. Those needles stay buried in your skin, and they're so microscopic, you really have to be looking or feeling for them in order to pull them out with tweezers. After about 3 days, I'm ready to use my hands and make myself a little prickly pear tea. I made sure I wore gloves for this part, and then I peeled the flesh back from each of the pears. That color though, look how deep and vibrant. It smells floral and tart and tropical and sweet. You know I gotta go in for a taste test. Looks like seeds there in the middle, we'll see in a little bit. Slice is nice, like a pear. Ooh, sweet, tart. Yeah, those seeds are there. They kind of get in the way a little bit, but that flavor is really nice. Now it looks like one of these prickly pears is going to be enough for my tea, so I'm going to save the other one. May come in handy over the winter. And now we're just going to give everything a good mash with our mortar and pestle. It looks like I did pick one of the more ripe ones, so I'm not really going to add anything to this except a little bit of agave nectar. The prickly pear really is beneficial for so many reasons. Not only does it have anti-inflammatory properties, it may also control blood sugar for people with type 2 diabetes. And now we're just going to top the whole thing off with some boiling water. Give it a press and then let it just steep for 5 to 8 minutes. And now for the moment of truth. Will all the pain in my hands, these needles, be worth it? Absolutely. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I'm so glad I did it. 10 out of 10. Probably will do again. But next time, I will be wearing gloves.